what it do, YouTube? It is your boy, Raychotic here, and you already know what the vibe is. Today is a good day, and we finna get lit, dog. Today, me and my homie finna go out here. We're gonna install the brake light on the Jeep, okay? We're gonna install the back brake light on the Jeep. We're gonna install that back wheel brake light on the Jeep. We're gonna get it done today because I looked the video and I watched it, and it seems like it's a simple job to do. You see, you just gotta have the right tools and stuff and take off these screws right here inside of the little brake wheel. You gotta take those little screws out. Get those screws out, pop this thing off, you know, the wheel, pop the wheel off, get the camera thing off there, wheel tool, and then install that stuff back on there. And for the most part, it seems like it's pretty easy. So, people charging $150 to do the job, man, me and my homie finna get it done. You gotta see two people who really don't work on cars like that. But we know what we doing, and we gonna get it done, okay? We gonna make it happen. We gonna make it happen. Cause it's gonna be oh shit, it's about to fall off on me. It's about to be a nice video. It's gonna take us about a couple minutes to get it done, and we gonna get the job done. Just so you know, I'm about to get this stuff done. We ain't paying no $100, bro. So let's get to the video. Peace out. And it's about a nice good 56 degrees today. So in Wisconsin, if it's 56 degrees, that means it's nice outside, okay? We ain't gotta be at 60 degrees. 50 degrees is enough. YouTube, I finally got inside. My homie bugged me in. It took us about a good 3 minutes before we got in the crib. But now we gotta get to this dude. First thing first we gotta do today, me and my homie gotta go to this gender reveal. We ain't really trying to go, but you know, we gotta go do what we gotta do. All right, man. The first thing first, we gotta go to the gender reveal, and then after that, we're gonna get to the video. So here we are, back outside. Me and my homie finna get this done today. As you can see, yeah, my boy back in pink. He think it's gonna be a girl, so we about to go to the gender reveal. We gonna see what's cracking today. And then after that, we're gonna install the Jeep brake light because it's gonna take us like 2 minutes to do this stuff.
I mean, I don't know about no 2 minutes, but it's probably gonna take like 3 hours.
Yeah, right, man. We about to get this stuff done. Ain't that? But let's hop in the Jeep and get to the reveal. We're finally back, YouTube. We about to install this thing right here.
Lug knot. I think that's what you need, bro. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, the lug knot. Yeah, we got to take those off. But then that's a special lug knot.
Yeah, that's a special lug knot.
Yeah, I just removed the camera thing already, so the camera thing's out. You know, so now I gotta get those off here right quick. So look at it. Here we go, YouTube.
I got that bitch already, but
we already getting that stuff out there. That's how we do it. Get that stuff done.
So you said someone bought more parts?
Like somebody bought that. That's never been that's Jordan how much Jeep. Somebody bought an extra extended piece to lock that back wheel up. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, you know. If I have some cooler in, I'm definitely put it on. You know, again, yeah. So what would you want?
This way.
Yeah.
Woo! Shit!
They got that motherfucker on here, bro. That's crazy.
I mean, you got tight to tight, though.
Right, brother?
You know, you got tight down more tight, though. You know, if you get too loose, but they're gonna come right off.
Right, bro.
That mother's big as hell. Ain't no way. Oh, what the I was about to say, but
Let's go. That one gone. There we go. There we go, team. There we go, man. We have gotten the tire off that bitch. Good stuff. Now we gotta go into the other part. I got the tire off the car. Good thought.
Come on, there's no way using the shoe for
yeah. But as you holding up the camera down there at the bottom. But as you can see, we are now taking this off the 2018 Jeep.
We gotta take this.
Yep. So now we gotta get all those screws out of there.
Yeah.
And we have to use a star screw to get these out of here right quick. So we're gonna do that right fast.
The thing is,
y'all ain't gonna watch that.
I think you have a bigger though.
Yeah, if you got a Jeep Wrangler 2018, the best one to have is the T25 for the little thigh clip. Come on, this thing ain't getting no zoom in. Come on, focus on the focus. All right, you can see there, T25 is the best one to use if you're gonna do you're gonna be taking off the thigh clip. So
yes, sir.
Yep, star head screwdriver. Get those out if you got 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Attach this, so we're gonna pop this thing off. Let's get into it. Alright, so the back piece apparently comes off first though.
Let me tell you something. There we go.
Yeah, there you go. Getting this thing to pop off. There we go.
Is there a screw back there, bro?
Look at this. Let's put it up in there. Alright. Woo! So now, as you guys can see, this thing is unclipped. And we are there now to the right. The only thing we have to do now is unplug that right there. And basically we have to yeah, we gotta unplug that one right there, and then we have to connect that one to our new wheel. So we have now finally detached this thing to my homie, bro. He used a technique, bro.
I use that. Oh, you want me to?
He used that little thing right there.
Yeah. So basically, what I did is that thing was stuck in there like that. You know what I mean? Backwards like that. So I put that thing right back there to get the safety pins. Push it and then pull it, and then it came right out. Came out smooth as hell. So,
man, cause our fingers were too big to get into it.
If your fingers are too big, you use a T25, put that thing right in the back, and pull, and you be straight.
Right. All right, team. So now we have finally made it to the part. So basically, what's happening here with our 2018 Jeep Wrangler, the kit that I ordered does not have like a third type wire, so we're gonna have to cut the wire because the wire on the 2018 Jeep comes in green and white, and then they come in a black color or whatever. Yeah, so the green and white wire, we're gonna have to connect to the red wire, and the black wire, we're gonna connect to the black wire. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take this third wire and we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna connect those and open up a third wire and kick. And basically, you're gonna connect that right to there and to the Jeep brake light. Get some of these little clips. These are called like the devil clip wiring processes. So you know, these are easier. And it makes it more complicated, so you don't have to constantly cut wire all the time. So yeah, make sure you kick this. Right, team, we up in it. All we gotta do is clamp this shit together now. So basically, what we're gonna do is clamp these wires together, and then the brake lights will be installed once we clamp them together.
I mean, how hard do you want me to do it, bro?
You gotta do it hard for bro.
Like how hard we talking about?
They talking hard for bro. You gotta get clamped together, bro. Yep. And then once that clamp together, you're gonna have to clamp the other one together. So that metal piece got cut through both of those pieces. Got cut through both of those wires. And then you close that bad thing together.
Tell me if it's dead, bro, Mo. What you think?
Okay.
What you think, bro? I think I need to do it more.
Yeah, you might have to do a little bit more.
Hell no.
Then they got close that together. Cause the brake light will work if they clamp enough.
You said it won't work?
No, it will. Like, but it won't work if they ain't clamped enough. Alright, now you gotta do that second one. Yeah, now we gotta do the second one. We are connecting the black wires now. The red and white wires have been connected. Now this time I'm gonna come down the black two wires. And then we're gonna get the Jeep test.
What do you mean?
That way you can clamp together. You ain't close at the same time.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like, turn sideways. Yeah, now you doing straight on.
It's going through though.
Yeah. Now you got close down to it? Yeah, clip out.
I feel like she got something done.
Man, you got the flag pulled out.
I'm happy, yeah. I only did that one through one yet.
Yeah, so they might have to do the third.
What you mean by that? Like that?
Yeah, like that, yeah. Because the top of it, something like that. You know what the top
But you know I'm left-handed though.
Yeah, yeah, but.
You know you're left-handed though.
Yeah, you know why we're going for here.
If you want your stuff done, call me Ramon.
Like that.
250.
250. we ain't started up, you guys, no problemo.
Oh, it's gonna be a problem though.
That's it.
Check it out, bro. Check it out.
Let's test out the Jeep Wrangler right quick. We're gonna see if the brake light work. Does this motherfucker light up? We are in business. If it lights up, we are in business, my boy. We are in complete business.
Yeah, check that mug out, Ramon.
Here we go.
Yeah. Oh! It's working, Ramon. There we go, Ramon.
That's how we do it, dog.
We got it working, dog.
That's right. If y'all need work done, just know. Me and my boy, we can get it done for you guys.
That's right.
It is all now. Me and my homie installed this brake light.
Press the brake, bro.
Yep. You see it? Yeah, buddy. That's it, fire, boy. We got that fire. Yeah. So, as y'all guys, you know, we did this stuff. It took us a little bit, but we got done. It was the first time doing it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you already know how it is, though.
Easy
But
peasy,
when we
excellent
first time doing something, and you got two new people doing it, Jeep.
Hold on now, Ramon. Hold on now, Ramon. Listen. I ain't new to fixing cars.
That is right.
No, I mean, yeah, it was pretty easy. You know, we did get stuck, but other than that, we got stuck on one part. But other than that,
Yep.
I mean, anybody could do it, bro. To be honest with you, bro.
To be honest, we can't do it.
The hardest part, low key, is the tire getting off the thing, cause that thing heavy as hell. Other than that, I think anybody could do it, bro. Yeah, so.
Yeah, bro, that stuff was heavy, no lie, bro.
Yeah, that shit was heavy, bro.
Yeah, we got it done, YouTube. So as you can see, if y'all want to save y'all money, because people be charging about $100 to $150 just to install that stuff, you just need the right tool. That's it. You know,
right tool,
if you got the right tool, the job is pretty easy.
Oh yeah,
it is.
Yeah.
So as you can see, like, we put it together, and we don't know nothing about Jeep, but we got a couple YouTube videos and got it done.
Yeah, you know, 2 YouTube videos later, the thing is up there like perfect.
It
That's
is.
right.
It is perfect work, folks. So as you guys can see, anybody can do this job. You just need the right tool.
Yeah.
Hey, have a backup too. One person, hey, it might be good, but hey, have a backup.
Yeah, you might want to do it 2 people, bro. If you're like you know, like not the strongest and you can't lift heavy things, you might want 2 people to help you with the tire. But other than that, bro, you pretty much can do everything solo, dolo, you know. So.
Yep, that's fact. That is fact. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. So, you know, it's a YouTube video, but make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe to your boy page. Even if you don't subscribe, just drop a like, because we out. Peace out.
Peace out.